Hey friends, Min here from On a Stamp Page. I'm super excited because today I'm sharing another creation that I've made for the Crafter's Castle Challenge. This month we are sponsored by Bev Cole, aka TheArtsyStamper, and her beautiful Etsy shop called TheArtsyStamper. She has given me the amazing autumn gifts set to work with. So if you'll see over at the left-hand side, there are some gorgeous fall leaves that I'm going to use. This set is amazing, and later on I will show you everything that's in it. But the first thing that I thought of when I saw these beautiful leaves was a framed panel with a beautiful sentiment in the middle. So I'm going to be using Canva today, and we are going to create the frame. And I will speed this part up so that you don't have to watch me do every single step. And I am probably going to do Control C and then Control V to copy and paste. And there will be some flipping that I use, so watch for that as well. So here we go. Now that we have this beautiful frame created, I wanted to show you a little bit more about what all you get with this gorgeous set. So it not only comes with the colored in images as PNGs, it comes with every single image as a colored PNG and a colored JPEG, as well as black and white drawings that are also PNG and JPEG, and just the outline of each item in case you want to do some watercoloring. And so you can print these out. It also comes with a sentiment and gourds and pumpkins, all sorts of things. But as I was looking at this beautiful frame, I knew that I wanted to create my own sentiment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to text, and I'm going to add a heading, and I'm going to have it be right in the middle of these leaves. And the sentiment that I've chosen is "Color Me Thankful." So I'm going to add that, change the fonts and things like that, and then I'm also going to recolor part of the sentiment so that it can be more versatile, and I'm going to add some effects as well. So I'm going to speed the rest of this up, and then we will get back together at the end of the video. Now that I have this panel exactly how I want it, to recolor the sentiment is actually really easy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click this button up here and I'm going to duplicate the page, and then I'm going to choose the parts of the font that I want to recolor and choose the colors over here that are populated based on the colors of the images, which I think is fantastic. So I'm able to have colors that are automatically from those leaves added. And so I've done this beautiful orange, the green, and the yellow. And now all I have to do is print these out and create cards with them. I love how these turned out. I love this beautiful frame. Thank you so much, ArtsyStamper and the ArtsyStamper shop on Etsy, for being our sponsor. Please join us at Crafters Castle, and I will show you my finished product here at the end of the video. Thanks for stopping by, friends. Until next time, hugs and happy crafting. Bye.